Hey everyone, welcome back to Data Logic with Shivam. Today we will explore the new feature in Power BI Desktop that allow you to choose from a variety of themes including the most requested dark mode. So let's see how to enable the dark mode. First click on the files, then click on the options and settings, then click on the options, then navigate to global and then navigate to report setting. Here in customize appearance we will select dark. We have multiple options, but our interested mode is dark. So we'll select dark and click on OK. Now you can see everything turns into the dark mode. If you see the data table view in dark mode, data model will also turn into the dark mode, and the text query view as well, it turns into the dark mode. Now here if you see the filter is not in the dark mode. So if you want to change it, what you can do, you can simply go to the visualization and click on filter pane, and here first we will change the text to white, and then here in the background we will change the color to black. So now you can see everything apart from this canvas turns into the dark mode. And that's a wrap on this new feature. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest Power BI feature. Drop a comment if you have any questions or if there are any other features you would like to see. Thank you.